Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you how can you use a conditional logic in Elementor form. So you should have Elementor Pro. So let me show you. So here you can see in this form, if you click on no, so nothing will appear here. So let me refresh this form. So here you can see when you click on yes, here you can see which location. This is some kind of condition. So it will appear no and yes. So how can you achieve this using Elementor form and using the conditions? So first of all, you need to go to your dashboard, then go to plugins, then click on add new plugin. So here, so I already installed the plugin. So let me show you. So here you can see conditional fields for Elementor. So it's a free plugin. So you need to install this plugin and activate it. So after that, let me create a page here and I will create a new page here. So, and I will name it conditional logic fields. So, and then I will click on edit with Elementor here. So I will just copy the same form and I will show you how can we add conditions here. So let me just copy this form. Let me copy it here from here and let me just make this page Elementor canvas here. So nothing will show here and let me paste it here. So same as it is, same form. So let me just remove this and this and let me show you how can we achieve using this. So here you can see here is this form here. So did you purchase from a location? So here you need to go to the advanced tab and here let me show you here what is you need to give it a some specific ID. So for example, if you want to give it a specific ID, for example, you can give it. Let me change the ID from here. Condition logic. So here you need to give it a specific ID here. So here you can see condition logic. So here let me just publish this and let me show you here. Now if you click on yes, no, nothing will appear. So the condition logic field is not applied yet. So just go back here. So here you can see the conditional field. So here the condition is off, make sure. So in the below section, which location? So here you need to add radio section here. Tab is radio, make sure it's radio. And you need to go to the conditions here. And here you need to make sure add the same ID that we have added here. So here you can see in the advanced here, just copy this conditional logic, go to the which location section here and just change the field ID and make sure it's equal to yes. So we are adding yes because here if you go to this location here, did you purchase from a location? So here we want to show the condition from yes here. So I will click on publish here and I will refresh this. So if you click on yes, the conditions will appear. If you click on no, nothing will appear. So if you want to show the condition in a no section, so you will just write here no and so for example, let me apply it on no here and let me click on publish here. So now if you click on yes, nothing will appear. If you click on no, the conditions will appear. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, so kindly ask in the comment section. Kindly don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.